Especially dito na of our Basco or Batanes trip right now. It's September 12. So medyo gloomy yung weather natin guys kasi meron tayong tropical depression somewhere on the east of the Philippines. But nevertheless, our trip today for the whole day will be pushed through. So ang ating itinerary for this morning, for today guys, is maglilibot tayo sa South Batan Tour. So we'll be visiting the Marlboro Rocks, the Honesty Stores, some of the famous spots sa South Batan. Kasi yesterday, nalibot natin yung some of the famous destinations also here in North Batan. So ngayon, isa South na naman tayo. This will be a full day trip in South Batan, no? So let's see ano yung mga magagandang mga spots dito ngayon sa South Batan. Madam Marloni, the arrival pack. Okay. We are all 19.
At bawal po tayong magpa-picture sa gilid, no, tumayo or umupo sa mga walls na to kasi mga locals natin papagalitan.
Wow! 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 Oh, charot. My gosh, our first stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. What an awaday. Lord. Oh my gosh. Feast on the ice. Yung first stop natin guys is sa Chawa roadside. So nasa gilid talaga siya ng ng cliff. Ayun, ang ganda ng view. Siguro para tayo nasa Australia or New Zealand. So Chawa is Libatan word here which means cliff siya. My gosh, ang ganda sa likod. Gosh, grabe ka giving ng guys, ng Batanes. Guys, merong hagdanan dito guys sa baba. It's a very cutesy and very perfect for picture taking. Every spot sa Batanes guys, ang sarap mag-stay ng matagal. But since marami pa tayong pupuntahan, so we need to go na kasi marami pang mga highlights dito sa ating South Batan Tour. Oh my God, first stop pa lang, no? So talagang it's already feast in our eyes. This is what we call a shelter port. Ito yung shelter port. It's just meters away from our first destination. So, itong shelter port, sabi ng aming guide, was established during 2017. So, bago pa siya. Gumagawa ng mga shelter port yung mga ibatan para daw yung mga boat nila is nilalagay nila sa tago ng mga lugar in case masama yung panahon. Yan. So, yung mga bangka na malalaki na yan, may tawag sa kanila. Then, yung mga smaller boats, yung tawag naman sa mga smaller boats ay patayo. Perfect picture ng the spot. Ito yung mga kasamahan natin guys sa ating 19 Packs Tour. Si Madam Marloni, who just arrived this morning.
Yes.
So, how was the trip, Madam?
It's so exhausting but so fulfilling.
Oh, my fulfilling talaga. Yeah. So, very fulfilling yung spot dito. And of course, our mga friends from... kinokoryo talaga ni Ma'am. Go, Ma'am Cyril! Na-achieve paano pa? At a very demure. Very cutesy.
Mabuhay magayaw.
Hello. Second spot guys is nasa Mahataw na tayo. Na municipality ng Mahataw. So this is not anymore part of the town of the Basco. So nasa Mahataw na siya. Isa sa mga 4 municipalities ng Batanes. So yung population dito guys is nasa mga 1,000 lang daw yung population sa municipality ng Mahataw. So yung spot dito guys is meron siyang church sa likod na isa sa mga pinakamagandang church daw dito sa buong Pilipinas. And then dito daw din yung parang may library kung saan pwede daw tayong sumulat sa libro. No? So let's try later that. Mahataw, simbahan ng Church of Mahataw. Wow. Guys, medyo maambon yung anong weather ngayon. Aming guide, August daw at saka September yung peak of the typhoon here in Batanes. But we took the risk. Right now we are traveling here in September. So ito na yung guys, yung sinasabi na parang may isusulat ka sa libro. Anything that you want to write in the book, you can write it here. Ito yung mga books. Ito yung mga nakikita natin sa social SOCMED na may susulatin ka about. Yung sa loob ng church nila guys, wala ang ilaw, so madilim konti. Brown out kasi at the moment. Malaki din yung church. Ang ganda ng church, guys. Tapos meron bagong kasal. Na chassis. Na nagdadasal. Chassis and Arce. We have a lot of places to visit pa, guys. So, we will be heading next. Beach daw yung next destination natin.
We're going to White Beach.
White Beach.
It's one
How far?
white sand dito sa Batan Island.
So, white sand talaga siya?
Yeah, white sand.
How far from here?
Maybe around 5 to 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes. Si Kuya next, yung isa naming guide. At saka si Ate, anong name mo?
MJ.
Ate Angie. Ay, si Ate Angie din ang guide ng kabilang van.
Let's go na!
The way guys, makikita natin yung Blue Lagoon. Wow.
Dati mga trees lang naliligo doon.
Pwede ba maligo dito?
Actually, pwede, yung nga lang problema natin, mabato siya. Ay,
Paano pababa?
Merong pa banda doon, pababa.
Ay, may hagdanan pala doon.
So public naman siya ngayon. Ito naman sa
Pwede siya maligo, pero mabato siya.
Pwede bumaba, sir?
Next spot guys is a white beach. Oh my gosh. There's a white beach here. There's a lot of beach. Oh, ito yung sinasabi na May Dangeb White Beach. Wow. Ito yung tinatawag nila guys na May Dangeb White Beach. Oh, may beach din pala dito sa Basco guys. Kaso nga lang, the beach is shallow. Mababaw lang siya. Katabi lang ito nung lagoon na pinakita ko kanina. Yan, sa kabila ng bato na yan guys, may lagoon. So, I think babalik kami dito on Saturday since free day ang Saturday natin. Guys, ito yung kabubuan ng beach. Diyos ko Lord, very pantropic ko. Kaayos siya. Oh, wow, ganda ng coconut at above. Wow. That's the oldest Spanish bridge here.
talaga. So walang bakal yan yung ginawa. Yes, kasi 1860s pa,
1860s pa siya na-built guys, so walang bakal yung pag-construct. That is the Spanish bridge. This is located here in Ivana. Okay guys, galing doon, kung saan natin nakita yung parang Spanish bridge. Meters lang is dito na tayo sa House of Dakay. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakatagal na nila na bahay made of stone. Built pa siya mga 1980s pa daw guys, according to our guide. So during the time of 1980s, nilindol ito ng 8.3 na magnitude. Tsaka ito na lang House of Dakay yung natira. Ito palang House of Dakay guys is originally mga 1877. Himba daw ito lahat na stone houses. Kaso lang naglindol nung 1980 something, na 8.3, nagumuho yung apat, yun na lang isa ang natira. Ito yung house guys, isa sa mga 5 houses na stone house. Tsaka the other one is there, mayroon pa doon sa loob. 5 siya. So pagka lindol nung 1980, ito na lang House of Dakay yung natira. Ayan. Tapos yung iba is binodernize na lang, ganyan, para matirhan pa rin siya. Ayan. So dito sa House of Dakay is meron dito guys, yung traditional nila na headdress ng mga Ibatan. Is a few meters lang din para galing sa Dakay, House of Dakay is andito na naman tayo sa another church. My gosh, I forgot the name of the church. Ito siya church guys, sa San Pablo Church. Ayan. This is located in the town of Ivana, Saint Dominic Church. Ayan. Tapos, walk lang dito guys, is andito na yung Honesty Store. Honesty Store guys. So, this is one of the unique store that we can find here in Batanes. Kasi, lahat ng mga tinda dito guys, is babayaran mo siya Honesty, walang mag-a-assist sa'yo dito sa loob. So, kung gusto mo magtimpla ng kape, timpla ka lang dyan. Ayan. Tapos, babayaran mo siya. May mga prices daw sa loob. Ayan guys. May mga bentahan dito. At the same time, may mga prices na naka-display. Ito, may mga prices already. 20.50. This one is 95 pesos each. Cookie de leche. Wow, ganda ng mga Magkano ba ito? Walang presyo. 250 each guys ito. Wow, ganda ng mga 250 each. So, lahat ng mga bentahan dito is you are going to pay it doon sa may cashier nila banda. Guys, dito na yung loob ng Honesty Store. Doon banda yung cashier nila guys. So, dyan mo ilalagay yung payment mo. Tapos, meron pa sila dito banda. Mas marami tinda dito na side. Si Ma'am Cyril is busy buying. Grabe, paningot at data sa Gigshilet. Ay, go. Perfect. Sa pinakadulo na kami ng municipality ng Batanes guys. Which is the Uyugan, municipality of Uyugan. And we are now here at the San Antonio Church in Uyugan. Batanes, ang dami nilang mga guys, marami silang mga churches here around Batanes. So, around, what's amazing here in Batanes is, in every municipality, meron sila guys, patrol ng mga mga police. And in Batanes guys, it's amazing, 0 crime sila dito. So, na magtrabaho ng mga pulis. Di ba, Ma'am Jean? 0 crime sila guys, ang Batanes. And one amazing thing also here in Batanes is wala silang wet market, no? So, they buy their foods na kakainin nila is along the highway lang daw. May mga bahay-bahay na nagtitinda along the highway. So, saan may mga nagtitinda ng mga isda, karne, baka. At ang mura ng baka dito guys. Yung baka nila is only 200 pesos per kilo. Imagine that. Because, 160? 160 per kilo pala guys yung mga baka dito. There are a lot of cattle farming is abundant here in guys, in Batanes. Wala din pala silang walang Shopee, walang Lazada at Shein. This is the last municipality of Batanes. This is municipality of Uyugan. Boy Palaboy, sir, no?
Yes, Boy Palaboy sa Facebook, sa YouTube, mga besh, mga bay, and Instagram.
Yes, so sir is also a traveler.
Yes, yes.
Perfect.
Mga besh, mga bay, inviting you all to come and visit
Batanes.
Yeah.
Ay, eto. Very cutesy, very mindful.
Yeah.
Madam Renan and Cyril. Ito yung church natin, guys. Yung church na Church Antonino. Antonino pala siya, de Florencia. Wala din ilaw. My gosh, guys. Dito naman po tayo sa isa na namang hill. It's a hill again. Mochong Viewpoint. This is a Mochong Viewpoint. My gosh, grabe. Grabe, nakakabusog sa mata, guys. Oh my gosh. Yan, nakakabusog talaga sa mata. It's not Marlboro ha, pero napaka-rewarding na niya. Yan, ano na siya. Napaka-rewarding na. May mga stray, ano tawag dyan? Horses. Diyos ko Lord. So dito kami sa may dulo ng, ng Mochong Hills. Oh my God, this is so very rewarding. Look at them. Finally, it's lunchtime, guys. So, magla-lunch tayo dito ngayon. Somewhere pa rin siya ng... Next, ano nga ulit na to? Barangay? Municipality? Itbud. Parang Itbud Municipality, guys. Ito yung Itbud na municipality. It's very interesting, guys, kasi walang signal. Walang signal like any of the networks in the... any of the telecommunication networks. So, yung buhay dito, guys, is napaka-basic, no? Payak masyado. So, parang it's really away from the civilization. So... very basic, it's I like it. No, so wala. So yung lunch natin is still included in our package. Let's see what we can eat here. The restaurant is called Nanay Ching, guys. Nanay Ching. Madam Ching pa ito. Is this your restaurant? Wait, slippery ha? Wait, huwag ka fall. Oh, naka-arrange na siya. Look at the food. Beef. Baka. Inataang kalabasa, chasi. Oh my gosh. Adobo. Dami ka ang lapstick. Lasap na sasapak. Lunch, my gosh, flex na ako mukhaan ha, at mga guide na very, very competent. No question. So we're done with the lunch. So after here is, punta tayo sa another spot na naman. May 5 destinations pa tayo for this afternoon, according to our guide. And the next spot is yung parang may ano daw, parang may blow your horn na signage. My gosh, these are nice yung mga picturesque. A must visit na spot sa Alapad Highway. Ito yung famous na makikita nyo yung blow your horn. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Another picturesque area. This is just only parang meters lang siya, guys, from the place na nag-lunch kami. Dito siya. Alapad. Then merong hills banda dyan. You can take pictures. My gosh, this is so very rewarding. You know what, guys? Hindi talaga mabibigyan ng justice yung pagpatanes sa videos and pictures. You really need to come here, guys. It's really worth it talaga yung mababayaran mo na plane ticket dito. It's a must talaga dito sa Batanes, no? The justice, hindi binibigyan ng justice yung video at saka phone, pictures. You need to come here talaga, guys. It's really worth the plane ticket. Guys, ito yung view dito sa may hillside. Tapos, oh my gosh, there. This is just only a meters lang gid siya guys, galing sa Blow Your Horn. It's the National Museum of Batanes. So, National Museum na siya guys. So, when you go there, do not touch any of the pictures displayed on the museum. Tapos, sa front ng museum guys, may magandang beach line. Doon kami doon yung hill na pinicture natin kanina, tsaka yung Blow Your Horn over there. You're entering to the museum, you need to register first. So yung guide na namin yung nagpa-register doon. Ito na yung museum, guys.
Pang ano daw? Pang lugod.
Wow! Most of here sa museum nila are photos. Yan. And some of the artifacts. Yan yung sinasabi nila na Ibatan Batanes Viper. Na yan. Kulay white pala siya guys. Ito yung snake na common dito sa
Batanes Pit Viper.
Yeah. Ito pa ang isa napakagandang artifact na nandito ngayon sa Batanes. Okay, artifacts. At saka ang
The remnants.
Okay, the remnants of the artifact na yan guys.
The remnants of the...
Ito yung traditional din nila na headdress. This is for the female. This one is for the male.
Ito na yung mga stone houses na makita natin, lalo na bukas pag naglalakad na tayo. So, dahil laging nasisira ganito. Pero, usually, dahil marami ng tinatanim natin ay mga root crops. Ang ginagawa natin, nagsastock tayo sa mga dirty kitchens natin. Taiwan is just only around 190 kilometers. So, napakalapit natin. So this one's the northernmost part na now ay inhabited na because meron na tayong naval base para sa pagbabantay ng ating mga ibang isla. Pero dito, the Mabulis Islands, northern part, ito yung pinakamalapit na sa Taiwan. The rest, yung mga maliit na isla, uninhabited na to. But this was the largest island, or called it Itbayat, and they have only a population of around 3,000. So dito, ito yung pinaka-main island natin. These ones are called it Batan. And the southern part, that's our Paulit Sultan na pupuntahan natin sa Saptan. By the way, as you can see, in number 6, kita nyo puro cliff. We have walang beach sa St. Bayad. Walang beach. Puro cliff. Pero may...
We are now down to our last spot, which is the Marlboro Hills. That's the best spot and we will be staying longer there. So it's 15 minutes trip from here in the museum. We're now at the Marlboro Hills na guys. Last stop natin. So we'll be spending longer here because there will be a lot of picture takings that will happen. So kaya daw siya tinawag na Marlboro guys. Kasi yung spot dito is naging famous siya kasi na-feature siya sa Marlboro magazine. Kaya naging Marlboro siya na place. Aray! My gosh! Hindi talaga nabibigyan ng justices ay... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Hindi nabibigyan ng justice sa camera. So after natin sa Marlboro, is dito na tayo kung sa souvenir shop within the town of Pasco. Dito siya. Oh, ayun. Dito. Wow. Ayun. Ayun. Dito na. 70 pesos. 50. 40. May mga food dito guys. Very cutesy. May wine. 350. Yan. May chili oil ng Batanes. 100 pesos. May wine sila sa Arios wine. It's 280. Nasa walang free taste char. Sa Kaksi wine. Turmeric tea. Yes ma'am, may ano tayo.
50 to 80.
Yes.
Depende sa laki.
Lagyan na ng papel. Yan, may mga delicacies din dito ng mga garlic chips which is 80 pieces. Very cutesy. May mura ang mga may magnet dito, 25. Oh my gosh. Done with the shopping spree at the souvenir guys. So I spent 3,000 pesos for the souvenirs because I bought 3 bottles of Arios wine here in Batanes, which is a delicacy here in Basco, Batanes. Okay, price reveal, Ma'am Rabia. Ilan na naubos?
For 117.
Very economical.
Yeah.
Ma'am Jing?
So far, including the honesty store, it's about 2.5.
2.5. Mindful. Ma'am Katyang?
Including sa honesty store. Oh! 5,130.
Oh my gosh! So far, si Ma'am Katyang po ang panalo. Si Sir AJ, magkano?
It's our second day.
200 pesos only.
Wala, grabe si Sir AJ, 200 pesos o lang. Oh my gosh. That is how our money,
That's how
our expenditures here in Batanes. No? So, pasalubong for our friends, family. So, we'll be ending here sa ating souvenir shopping for our day 2 here in South Batan. By tomorrow, isasabtang na naman tayo ha. So, watch out for our 3rd vlog in Batanes.
Alright.
Alright!